everyone, welcome back to another video. This is an ocean themed video today. I thought with the better weather coming in and the fact that we can't get to the beaches, I thought I would bring the beach to us. So I saw the idea on Pinterest, but as you know me, I always like to put my own take on things. So I'm adding the little beach scene to these nails just to make them that little bit different. So welcome back to all my regular viewers, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. So I'm starting out with doing the little sand. So yesterday I did a video which was the Louis Vuitton set, and I custom blended my own beige. So what I've done is I've just added a bit more of the pastel powder, or you can add white, and that just made it that little bit lighter for me and more or less a sandy colour. So I'm just doing the beach, sort of the sand on the middle two fingers, and the rest of the nails are going to be like the ocean waves and the froth and that you'd get in the sea. So I'm using the Glitterbels Royal Blue, and I'm using CJP's Sea Foam, which I thought was very fitting for this set. So I'm putting on really wet. I'm doing a bit of marble with them, and I'm also leaving little gaps that I'm going to fill in with the white. And that will be like the froth of the sea when it's crashing. I hope that you are able to maybe enjoy some of this great weather we've been having, and I've been out, getting some exercise, some fresh air. It's great that we're off and we have the chance to enjoy it, but it's at the cost of other things as well, though, isn't it? So it's bittersweet. I'm going with Snowdrops White, Glitterbels Snowdrops White, and this is going to be the start of the crashing of the waves. And then I will go in later on with some gel polish, and I'll just sort of intensify that a bit. The gel colours I'm using are all, well, they're not all from Halo. I'm using the blue from Halo and the French white from Halo. And the little greeny coloured one is from Canni Gel Paints, and it's number 610. I'm just adding some top coat to them because I don't want the colour to be completely solid. I want it to just sort of be semi-transparent. I went ahead and changed the paintbrush to my little ombre brush from Born Pretty, and I'm just adding the white. I've mixed some top coat with the white gel polish, and I'm just putting it on in like a swirling motion just to sort of mimic the thrashing of the waves. And then I'm also adding some acetone, and that will give it the frothy look. Yeah, I nearly said that wrong. I'm going to continue doing adding the blue, the green and the white to the rest of the nails, and I'm curing it in between with my little LED torch. If you're new to the channel, I'll just explain to you why I'm only doing the 4 fingers. I'm using my hand dolly practice hand, and it's the posable hand, so it's quite stiff, and I have arthritis in my hands, and for me to try and hold the thumb in position, my hands start to cramp up. So I really only take the photographs anyway of the 4 nails, which you see that many nail technicians and nail artists do the same. So yeah, you can see it when I'm doing the video, but you can't really tell that I haven't used the thumb once the pictures are taken. Now I'm going to cap the nails all in glass slippers from Glitterbels. I'm only going to show one nail being capped as they're all capped the same way, and I'm trying to keep the length of the video down for you guys. So now they're all capped and they've cured, and it's now time to do the filing and shaping. So as always, I'm just doing my normal filing routine. I start at the sidewalls, and because it's a stiletto nail, I don't really go down to the free edge until the end, just to sharpen that up. So sidewalls first, make sure the lower arch is nice and straight and nice and flush at the cuticle, and that the apex is in the place where I left it. Sorry, I forgot to hit record. What I've done here is I've taken some orange corally coloured gel polish, and I've just put in 2 little starfish on the sandy coloured acrylic. And now I'm going in with some grey and like another pale beige colour, and they're just to look like pebbles on the beach. So I did get out my little 3D, what is it called? Like my 3D molds, and it's like starfish and shells, and I did go ahead and actually put them on the nails, but they look completely out of place. They were so much bigger than anything else that was on the nails, so I just decided to take them off and just leave the nails as they were. And here's the finished set. So I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you could do it now. And if you hit the little notification bell while you're at it, you'll not miss any more of my videos. And I will see you all again in the next video. Take care. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.